Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to rotate screen on iPhone. This feature lets you control whether your screen automatically rotates when you turn your device. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open the Control Center. Look for the orientation lock icon. It looks like a lock inside a circular arrow. If you already see it, you can tap it to turn screen rotation lock on or off. If you don't see the icon in your control center, don't worry. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the control center, then tap Add a Control. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, search for orientation lock or scroll through the list until you find it. Tap on it to add it to your control center. If the icon is added to another page of the Control Center, you can tap and hold it, then drag it to a more convenient location. You can even resize it to make it easier to find. Once you're done, tap anywhere outside the editing area to save your changes. Now, whenever you tap the orientation lock icon, it will either enable or disable screen rotation. When orientation lock is turned on, your iPhone screen will stay in the current orientation and won't rotate when you turn the device. When orientation lock is turned off, supported apps can rotate between portrait and landscape mode automatically when you rotate your iPhone. Keep in mind that not all apps support screen rotation, and on many iPhone models, the home screen itself does not rotate. If screen rotation still isn't working properly, you can check your display settings by opening Settings, tapping Display and Brightness, and reviewing your display zoom settings. That's it. You have successfully learned how to lock and unlock screen rotation on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.